Oh, niggas don't wanna test, but I hit them with a bass when I put that shot with the shotgun blast. When I put them in the breast, when I go through the trench, when I put them in the dirt, let a nigga work. Fuck that, show the nigga what it's worth. When I hit him with a motherfucking Mossberg pump and I blow his head off, I'm so on alert. High grade nigga, homemade nigga, non false and non paid nigga. Y'all niggas don't wanna see no dumb shit happen. Y'all niggas ain't rapping, scrapping, committed up, hit them all on home. When I get him, when I get him, when I send them all on home, and then I'm gone.